Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that's not only delicious but also fun? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Cooking with Kids Recipes, the show where we transform ordinary meals into extraordinary memories. Today we have a special treat for you. We separate the video into 4 segments of cooking with your kids, so let's dive right in. Segment 1. Fun with fruity pancakes. Our first recipe is a colorful twist on breakfast classics, fruity pancakes. They're not just delicious, they're a feast for the eyes, too. We'll show you how to mix the batter, pour the pancakes, and add a rainbow of fruits to make these pancakes a delightful surprise. It's a fantastic way to get your kids excited about breakfast. Segment 2. Veggie-packed pizza pockets. Up next, we're making veggie-packed pizza pockets. Sneak those veggies in and your kids won't even notice. We'll walk you through the steps to create pizza pockets filled with wholesome ingredients. Plus, it's a chance for your little ones to get creative with their own pizza designs. Segment 3. DIY smoothie bowls. Time for a refreshing twist. DIY smoothie bowls. It's like art you can eat. Host and child chef blend ingredients for smoothie bowls. We'll guide you through the process of making colorful and nutritious smoothie bowls. Let your kids decorate their bowls with their favorite toppings. Segment 4. Kitchen cleanup and life lessons. While we let our delicious creations cook, it's the perfect time to teach your kids about teamwork and responsibility. Remember, the kitchen is not just a place for cooking, but also a place for valuable life lessons. And there you have it, another fantastic episode of Cooking with Kids. We hope you had as much fun watching as we did cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more family-friendly recipes and memorable moments in the kitchen. Cooking with Kids is more than just a meal. It's a journey of love, laughter, and learning. Until next time, keep cooking, keep bonding, and keep smiling.